yeah, Bloc Hotels. Level 3. Next to departures. The Bloc. Press that one?
The top.
Yep. Boop. Oh, I thought it said Bloc. You want level 3. Bloc Hotels reception. And there it is. So we're staying in the Bloc. We get security, premium security for 4.
That's dramatic.
Yes. Our room number is 644. And we have to scan this white card to activate the lift. Yep. And we're on level 6. And we're on floor 6. For like, we are 6. Whoa.
We were all the way at the end.
So that's 646. Oh my gosh.
I can't see.
Well, why didn't we have a look inside?
I can't see.
Quick, let's go have a look.
I picked the comfy bed.
No, I picked the comfiest bed. Okay.
Woo.
Lily, I
Go.
picked the comfiest.
Bunk beds!
Yes. I'm sleeping.
Aircon.
No, I can talk.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at
And
this.
then it's easier. I can. Yeah, it's easier. And then what?
Look at this for a view.
Guys, there's bunk bed, but Lily, I was staying for 3 weeks. You're going to bed. No, we're not staying here for 3 weeks. So this.
We're just here for one
This is
night.
one night here.
Ooh.
Look at this view, guys.
Bunk bed in Disney. I'm sitting on the top bed. Okay. Okay.
I can see you there.
Hello.
Hi.
Look it up. Hello, Dad.
Look at that. Jump on the stool. Woo.
That's the plane when we're going. No. We're not going on the
So they
plane.
land there.
We're not going on.
We're going on a plane tomorrow.
Yeah, that's fine. But we're not going on the plane today.
Hallelujah.
No.
No, tomorrow.
I can't get down.
We can watch some planes, watch some TV. Runway view, level 6 at the Bloc Hotel. Got room 644.
Hello. Our new hotel.
Oh,
We're going to do a
hello.
tour.
A tour of the Bloc Hotel room. This is called a family aspire room.
So, come here, guys. Lily, go up. Go upstairs.
So we've got 2 bunk beds. Pardon?
Can you take the phone for the light?
Yeah.
What's been under there?
Watch.
Watch them. Oh, wow.
And up here too.
I
Woo.
want to waste the battery.
So you've got cool bunk beds.
With
So
towels.
now come in here.
The towels are on towels.
Towels.
Oh, ow.
This is our walk-in
I just-
shower room / toilet.
Oh, another one.
Sink.
Ow. I thought that was another one.
So you got a nice, what do you call it, a rain shower?
Yeah, come here, guys.
Yeah.
Guys.
And there's a
No, please.
sink.
No, I'll do
Toilet.
it. I'll do it. Yeah. So, Dad, come here.
Shower room. Yep.
Dad,
Do
come
you want to
here.
come and press the blind button?
What?
Yeah. So you can operate it from your phone as well, which I'll show you in a minute. But here you've got blind up. Yep. Middle one is to stop. And blind down is the next one.
But Dad.
Do you have to do all or nothing?
Dad,
No, you can stop
I
it.
want to show you something.
No, like all
Oh,
of
all the blinds, yeah.
Dad, come here. So, this.
No, I don't know what that is. That's the temperature.
Can I go down?
Yeah, that is down. So these are your blinds. So that's blind up. And the middle one is to stop it.
Hold on. Let
Blind,
me just show
that
them.
one's blind down there, look.
Okay, can I just show them?
And then stop it as the middle.
You've got to look at the bank, ready?
So I just need to pull it down.
The other one, to, that's it.
So it needs to go down.
Wait, just wait. Okay. Stop.
Okay. So. And then down.
And down. Get down. You got 4 pillows. king size bed, nice big TV. She came through the sun. Ah! Oh, you got a good little cupboard space here. So I guess this is where we put the suitcases.
Somebody down! Yeah. Help me down!
Okay, so that concludes the room tour of the block.
Because I don't think here, it's like those.
Boop. Woo! Night lad.
Help me down!
Okay.
Oh, we don't have a key. It's on the bed. Go get it.
My key, where's here? My key! My key!
Come
My
on.
key!
Let's go explore.
Ow! I hit that door because I thought that's
It'll be 20 minutes. Okay, so if we go down here, we need to find, there's an ironing room on floor 6. So we need to see if we can find that. Funky, isn't it?
Mom, is this America?
No, not yet, baby. We're in London. So this is the ironing room. So if we want to iron anything ready for tomorrow, let's have a look what's in here. So there's 2 ironing boards and a nice steam iron. No, I'll do the ironing.
No, I guess it's here.
Right, shall we go find the drinks room?
Yeah, underneath.
So we need to go to floor 7.
Lily, come here. Well, let's say that.
So where's the lift or the stairs?
This.
So push the button. Is it going to stop?
Yeah, this one.
There we go. Hello. Floor 7.
7.
You might need to swipe your card. You need to swipe the card.
Name.
Oh no, it's okay, it's doing it. So you do need to swipe your card every time to get the right floor. There we go.
We have 2 options.
Is it like say? No, when it says drink.
Oh, hot drinks machine.
Do you want cold?
It's just hot drinks.
Hi, how can I help you? This is the drinks room.
Oh, I'd love a mochaccino. Ooh, hot chocolate, Nescafe. And what floor are we on?
Floor 7.
Floor 7.
No,
What are we gonna have?
Chocolate from
Milk
the
first. Dash of milk.
And then I'm gonna put chocolate in it. So I'm gonna like have hot chocolate and then I'm gonna get another cup of milk.
I'm gonna have hot chocolate, mochaccino. Lovely you. And there's a little table and 2 chairs in here, isn't there? And then we've got some drinks to go.
By the way, they're not straws, they're just sticks.
Have you got the key next to me? Thank you.
Yeah. Go. I bet it's this one.
I think it's gonna be this one.
Yeah,
This middle again, do you think? Oh. So you got to scan the card. Wait there. You've got to scan the card.
This side?
Yeah. And then push number 6.
But I have also got this as well. So an email from the block, room control, so you can actually operate everything through your mobile phone device. So climate, television, lights, blinds. So I can do it all through my phone. Oh yeah.
Get it quick, get it!
I paused it.
Daddy!
It's going up, it's fine.
Luckily I said something,
Yeah.
but I would have got smashed
Well done, Lil.
on my head.
Yeah, and you got anything else like blinds, climate, TV.
Diddy. Me.
Oh, water.
This is the tiniest bottle ever.
It is.
I ever seen.
It's going to test out the shower for us.
But I need to get undressed.
Yeah, you go get undressed and I'll have a look how to work it. So you got some buttons here. You got a shower. Dunno. Temperature, so that's cold. Like a rain shower. It's like a rainfall look. You like that one?
Yeah.
That's cool, isn't it? It's like a rainfall.
Can you under my necklace?
Yeah, of course I can.
But I'm putting this back on because this gives me good dreams.
Oh, that's good news. You like the aeroplanes? Shall we have one more quick look before the sun goes down? See what's happening in the airport, Gatwick. It's cool, isn't it, Lace? You like it? Yeah.
I like you now because you get such a surprise.
You like the surprise? What did you just see come from that window?
An aeroplane.
Oh, look at that for timing. Look, Lace.
2!
Woo! That's
Jack,
cool, isn't it?
get back before that everything cracks you.
Yeah. Okay, should we jump have a shower? Now, I might be wrong, and correct me if anyone stayed here, but we have only got 2 plugs. There are no USBs, and I can't see any other place where they would have a charger. A USB plug. There's no charging units anywhere. Have a look down here. Look. So they do lack chargers here, unfortunately. Wicked
Dad,
view.
is that the rainbows where you went when you were a little kid?
Yeah.
That's where we went.
Just can't get over the view.
Can I-
Can't believe we're here, can you?
No.
You had a good shower?
Good.
What do you think of the shower?
Good.
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it? You gotta take off.
Weird.
See a plane take off, boy. Here he is. See a plane.
It's our first time seeing one fly away.
Oh, we'll be on one of them tomorrow. British Airways. See you tomorrow.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys! Bye guys!